Well, I'm gonna have to fix my truck myself because crappy student loans, and I don't make any money for paychecks for a shitty dealership, so I couldn't get rid of it. Plus, when I passed inspection, I woke up, got registration, and went to a dealership, and then my light comes on. 2 years I've been waiting for that light to come on. So, and then my battery keeps dying, so I took it out, and I covered the positive cable because there's no sense, because what I think is loose, personally, even though the guy who changed my belt said, no, it's supposed to be like that. Because it's the spring and it pushes in and out. I don't know. Seems pretty loose to me, and there's coolant everywhere, and there's a hose that's collapsed, and I mean coolant went everywhere. So, I remember someone saying, you'll know when your water pump breaks, because it'll be everywhere. Maybe that's it. I don't know. There's definitely coolant with it, because all the white stuff mixed with oil. So I took out my battery, and I don't know, for funsies, I guess, looking at my reservoir tank to see if there's coolant in there, because there pretty much always is, except for the one time the other week the heater hose was seeping. And looking at my reservoir, I'm kind of like, I don't think that hose goes to attach it to anything. No. Nope. Nope. This is my life. What the fuck? Voila. Yeah, see, that might explain why I feel that my truck gets really hot. And they're like, no, it would tell you. And I'm like, well, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it gets really hot. Like, I can hear the catalytic converters like steaming if I drive through a puddle or throw splash water on there. They're so hot when I stand next to them. Well, that was like 2 years ago. But I passed inspection, so I guess they're okay. But I still feel like I overheat. My radiator went, and that's new last winter. And the belt was perfect a few months ago, and then boom, it wasn't. And I said something must be loose, pulley. And you know, I don't know what am I? I'm just a girl. I don't know anything. And they're all fine. Nothing's loose. They just go. And I'm like, well, I think we just looked at it like not that long ago, so I'm pretty sure they don't like deteriorate that fast, according to my readings and ASE tests and videos upon videos and PDF files. So let's just say, number one, that's fucked up. Strike 10 against all the mechanics I've seen. Lazy. Well, the downside is I don't have really a job I can get to, so that sucks, because I'm gonna have to figure out how to get parts and what's wrong and how to fix it. I ordered an oil cooler bolt and ring gasket if it's not too late. And I was thinking do the primary tensioner guides on water pump somehow with no money. And maybe that will help the chain noise, I was thinking. Like, isn't it preventative for a bit longer, I'm thinking? I don't know everything yet. I guess I'm more concerned with the oil leaking in the back. Personally. Even though that's normal. Don't worry about it. I don't know. Maybe my oil pump. No, and then it wouldn't start. I don't know. Well, let's see. Keep updated.